Good morning, class third. Yes, today we will continue chapter subtraction, right, on page number 62 or 63. So now open the page number 62 and 63, right? Yes, and do this work in copy. Okay, yes. So now question number 7. Okay, yes. So now see question number 7. Yes. So 2357 and 1032. So we want to subtract 1032 from 2357. This is ones, this is tens, this is hundred, and this is thousand, right? So step 1 is arranging the given digit in column wise. So we have already done, right? Now step 2 is subtracting ones from ones. So we want to subtract 2 from 7. So 7 minus 2 is 5. And now subtracting tens. We want to subtract tens from 10, right? So we want to subtract 3 from 5. So 5 minus 3 is 2. Now subtracting 100. We want to subtract 0 from 3. So 3 minus 0 is 3. And now subtracting 1000. We want to subtract 1 from 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Right? Now see the question number 9. 34621240. Yes. So we want to subtract 1240 from 3462. So now subtracting ones from 1. We want to subtract 0 from 2. So 2 minus 0 is 2. And now subtracting tens. We want to subtract 4 from 6. So 6 minus 4 is 2. Now subtracting 100. We want to subtract 2 from 4. So 4. We easily subtract 2 from 4. So 4 minus 2 is 2. And 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay? Yes. So 2222 stands for 2222. Right? Yes. Now see the question number 11. O stands for ones, T stands for tens, and H stands for 100, and TH stands for 1000. Yes. So we subtract ones from 1, tens from tens, 100 from hundreds, and 1000 from 1000. So we want to subtract 0 from 0 is 0, and we want to subtract 3 from 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. Right? Yes. And 2, and we want to subtract 2 from 4. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So we write 2 under 100 column. Now subtracting 1000 from 1000. So there is nothing. So it means 0. Right? Yes. So we want to subtract 0 from 6. It means 6 minus 0 is same number. It means 6. 6220 is called 6220. And next one is, see the question number 12. Subtracting ones from 1. We want to subtract 3 from 8. So 8 minus 3 is 5. And now subtracting tens. We want to subtract 2 from 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. And we want to subtract 2 from, there is nothing, it means 0. So this is as it is number 2. And 1 minus 0 is 1. 1215 stands for 1215. Right? Yes. Now next Write in column and find the difference. Question number 16. 3918 minus 1605. So we want to subtract 1605 from 3918. 3918 1605. So 8 minus 5 is 3. And we want to subtract 0 from 1. So 1 minus 0 is 1. And we want to subtract 6 from 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. Now we want to subtract 1 from 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. 2, 3, 1, 3. 2313. Right? Yes. And next last question number 20. Subtract 478 from 1589. So O stands for ones, T stands for tens, H stands for 100 and TH stands for 1000. So 1589 and minus 478. Now subtracting ones from ones. So we want to subtract 8 from 9. So 9 minus 8 is 1. And we want to subtract, now subtracting tens from tens. So we want to subtract 7 from 8. So 8 minus 7 is 1. And we want to subtract 4 from 5. So 5 minus 4 is 1. And now in 1000. So we want to subtract 0 from 1. So 1 minus 0 is 1. So 1111 stands for 1111. Okay. Yes. Thank you so much, class.